Question 9 of the TalentQ Korn Ferry Elements Logical Practice Test. Pause the video and have a go at answering this question. When you're ready, press play again and I will go through my work solutions with you. I hope you've had a go. In order to solve this problem, we'd have to look at our table in terms of columns. So we have got 3 columns here, column 1, column 2, and column 3. When looking closely at each column, we should be able to realize that we have 3 different types of arrows. We have vertical arrows, diagonal arrows, and horizontal arrows. So we've got vertical arrows, diagonal arrows, and horizontal arrows. If we count the number of each type of arrow, we can begin to notice a pattern. So if we look at the vertical arrows in our third column here, we can see that we've got 1 vertical arrow here, a second one here, and a third one here. We've got 3 vertical arrows. If we count the number of vertical arrows in our second column here, we can see that we've got 1, 2, 3, we've got 3 vertical arrows. It doesn't matter about which way the arrows are pointing, they are still vertical arrows. This one's pointing north and this one's pointing south. Likewise, if we count the number of vertical arrows in our first column here, we can see we've got 1 here, 2, 3, so there's 3 vertical arrows highlighted in green. When looking at the number of diagonal arrows, we can see that we've got 1 diagonal here and another diagonal arrow here, so we've got a total of 2 diagonal arrows. Similarly, we've got 2 diagonal arrows in this column here, and we've also got 2 diagonal arrows in this first column here. Lastly, when looking at our horizontal arrows, we can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 horizontal arrows here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 horizontal arrows here. And so far, we've only got 1 horizontal arrow here. We can see that there is some sort of pattern where each column has 3 vertical arrows, 2 diagonal arrows, and 4 horizontal arrows. So 3 vertical, 2 diagonal, 4 horizontal, 3 vertical, 2 diagonal. At the moment, we only have 1 horizontal. In order to allow this column to fit into our sequence, if you like, we would need a further 3 horizontal arrows. And the only alternative option where there are a further 3 horizontal arrows would be this option here. Therefore, our answer is this one. I hope that made sense. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments below. Some of you have been messaging me and asking me for video tutorials on questions that I've already answered. Unfortunately, I haven't uploaded the videos in chronological order. However, if you go onto our YouTube channel page and go into playlists, you can see a TalentQ Korn Ferry playlist where all the videos are in chronological order. They're all in numbered order, so do check that out. Go to our YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then you can see the TalentQ logical video tutorials there, all in order. If you would like to see more videos like this, do give us a like and subscribe.